The idea is to make a DIY car perfume with a simple clothespin. Concretely, you will use a wooden clothespin that you will attach to the air conditioning nozzle. Pour a few drops of essential oil on the wooden tongs. This material has the characteristic of better absorbing the fragrance of the essential oil. Nevertheless, it is not recommended to put too much, as it can create discomfort. The scent of eucalyptus and wild orange are excellent choices to perfume the interior of the car. The objective is to diffuse the natural fragrance through the air conditioning system. If you find that the deodorant action is not high enough, then you can use 2 scented clothespins.